Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, guys, we'll be picking up cards from the tarot deck. For your oracle guidance message, guys, that will give you a deeper clarity in your situation, in your career, or in your relationship. So that will be a pick a card kind of a reading. So whichever deck you want to see, that will come after this daily energies, guys. Gemini. So for your daily energies, the Sun in reverse, Queen of Wands in reverse, Six of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with these cards, the energy, Five of Pentacles, sorry guys, it's Five of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, the energy for you all guys is there are some kind of troubles in your relationship, guys, or in your work situation. Some kind of stressful situations are there and you are struggling today. That is what I see here, to get that clarity or understanding in your situation. Maybe in your relationship, this may relate to your relationship or your career, guys. There are people who are jealous of you, how you are. They are jealous of your position. They are jealous of how you handle things because of your ability, because of that clarity that you have in your situation. So you are trying to get that, but you are not able to see those people. You don't know who they are. Some jealousy and some people are competing with you guys. But with this card, though this card is in reverse, I see here that you will be able to get that clarity and confidence and determination, guys, inspiration in your situation to overcome all that whatever is working against you. Maybe your situation or maybe people, whoever are working against you. You may get that clarity in your situation, guys, and you will be overcoming all those obstacles. That is what I see here, Gemini. So for a deep clarity in your career or your relationship, guys, you need to make that choice, guys. The pick a card reading is there. You can see the timestamps, what card you want to choose, and you can choose the card and see that reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video, Gemini. For your daily guidance, guys, the oracle guidance, we'll be picking cards from the Rumi deck. I'll be picking 2 cards from the Rumi deck. So first card for your career, this is for your career and this is for your love energy. And if you want to see the reading from the other deck, the Wisdom Oracle deck, again we'll be picking 2 cards. This is for your career and this is for your relationship, guys. So you can skip to that to see that reading, guys, if you are interested in this guidance. So first for this Rumi card, let's open the card here. For your career, guys, Sacred Phoenix Heart. I hope you can see the card. With this card for your career situation, guys, maybe in certain circumstances or till now in your life, you would have felt that things are not going well, and some struggles and lot of stresses that you would have faced, lots of trials, and you would be in a lot of confusion, guys, uncertain which way to go and what you need to do. And with this card, the energy is that you are going to get what you were striving for till now, guys. First, you will be able to get that clarity in your situation, what you need to do. So it is time for you to let that old things go away from you. Maybe some losses or whatever, you would have felt some delays in your projects or some closed doors, no responses in certain ventures, maybe whatever you were trying. So you need to let all that pass away and let that new come towards you. So whatever opinions or doubts or fears or your despair, whatever you had, you need to let all that go away and let things unfold in a beautiful way right now in the present. So things are happening according to a divine timing in your life, guys, and your time is fast approaching for all the good things to come towards you. So there will be no more darkness, confusion, and a new dawn is here right now before you. So you will be able to get that clarity in your situation, guys. And in your career, you will be able to make that wonderful decisions, whatever you need to make today, and you will see that clarity, and you are progressing towards your destiny in your career. That is what this card is about, guys. So you are marching towards your destiny, and it is time things are coming to you as destined. Whatever you are passionate about, whatever you were expecting, all that is coming your way, guys. That is what this card is about. And you will get that guidance from within, and when you do that, you will know that you have reached your goal, the place, the choice, or whatever it is, to reach whatever goals you have in your mind. And for your love energies, guys, we will open the card now. The lion and the deer. With this card for your relationship, guys, the energy is that you both share a deep spiritual bond, guys. This relationship is a preordained one. You have been together for many lifetimes together, and you would have felt this familiarity with this person. Even at the first meeting, you would have felt that oneness, that deep connection with this person. This just means that just like what to say, the card, the lion and the deer, each exist, coexist, and each cannot exist without each other. So that deep bonding, maybe some qualities are good, some qualities are bad, but all of us have that lion and deer inside us. We have that goodness, good qualities, and the bad qualities in us. So this is the time you will be finding more, discovering more about yourself and about your person. You will be discovering that qualities where you are able to relate to that other person, go on that, find that common ground, work on that common ground, find that familiarity, and be playful today. Just make a fool of ourselves in this love. So you are having that clear, you will be able to get that clear understanding, guys. That is what this card is about. So all about that person, the good side and the bad side, the two sides of the coin. So you have that deep clarity about this person, and you will be discovering the truth about this person, and that is the reason this person is there before you guys. They are there just for that. So this is for this Rumi card, guys, the reading. Let us see what are the wisdom oracle cards. So if you are interested to watch this is for your sorry guys, the first card for your career, new life. With this card for your career situation, guys, you are reaching that stage. You are able to see that new paths are opening right in front of you, guys. New ideas are bursting inside you. Inspiration and confidence is there in your situation. Opportunities are simply coming towards you, maybe in your work, some projects or some creative ideas. And in your work you feel that electric inspiration and confidence to go about your work, make those efforts, reach those goals. So you are experiencing that potential, guys, that great potential, and life is just smiling on you. You need to enjoy this day, guys, and you are at the beginning of things. Things are coming to you, so you don't have to rush things, make things go faster for you. You just have to relax, enjoy how things are unfolding naturally in a very positive way, and enjoy this day, guys. That is what is happening for you in your career. You just have to sit back and watch how things are unfolding in your career. So that is for your career situation. For your relationship, co-create. With this card, guys, for your relationship, it just means that in any situation, guys, we always have that intuition or some kind of nudges that we feel when we are making some particular decisions. So sometimes when we are making some choice, we automatically feel an attraction to decide on something. So when you have that intuition, that guidance, you need to understand that it is the divine inspiration that is guiding us, guys. We are not just human beings, we have that divine immortal soul in us, so that is always there waiting to help us and guide us in our life, guys. So this is the time for you to enjoy how things are going to go in your life, in your relationship also. So even in this relationship, when you are with this person, you may feel that great inspiration, that overwhelming feeling of happiness and joy, and you need to understand that it is the divine God, or that divine energy, or that divine power that has guided us to be in this relationship, guys. So that is the reason that we are there in this relationship. So you just have to feel that happiness, enjoy that inspiration, whatever you feel right now in the situation, and be happy for it, and be thankful for feeling that divine energy flowing through you, guiding you in this relationship, guys, or that was the thing that has guided you in this relationship, guys. So this is the oracle's guidance for your relationship, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this oracle guidance, please comment and give me your suggestions. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Thanks again. Bye, guys.